strengthens the ascending activating reticular system. This system plays a fundamental role in regulating alertness and consciousness. It's responsible for keeping us awake, alert, and helping us achieve our goals. It's also involved in attention and processing sensory stimuli. This system is essential for normal brain function and is implicated in a variety of neurological and psychiatric disorders when it doesn't function properly, including excessive daytime sleepiness, mood disorders, dementia, and neurodegenerative disorders, cognitive problems, schizophrenia, and dazed and depersonalization disorders, among others. Screens and video games are this system's main inhibitors. When this system works properly, it contributes greatly to the achievement of your goals, objectives, and desires. That's why, among other things, it's very important to keep it strong. Listen to this strengthening continuously to gain that strength. We separate the weaknesses of each component of the midline, central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We erase them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time, and strengthen each of these components. We connect the upper brain with the lower brain. We detoxify the central nervous system. We eliminate viruses, fungi, bacteria, parasites, parasite waste, disease cells, dead, degenerated, and poisoned cells. And we send all of this into the lymphatic system and strengthen channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. At 100% infinite copotential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase the cumulative effect on the ascending activating reticular system of the use of video games and screens that have deteriorated, degenerated, and diminished it. We're going to isolate each part of the neural structure network in the brain stem, erase their individual weaknesses, and combine them to an absolute minimum, always and indefinitely. We're leveling all these parts in all their possible combinations so that they're centered, balanced, and stable. We're elevating the physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility of each part to a constant maximum potential, always and indefinitely. We're going to strengthen the Rafe nucleus to release neurotransmitters that regulate sleep, wakefulness, and attention. We're reinforcing the locus coeruleus region to produce noradrenaline and thus enhance the alertness state. We're adjusting the stress response to improve attention span. We're enhancing the pontine penducle nucleus to regulate body movements, as well as strengthen attention and alertness. Strengthen the thalamus to allow sensory signals to enter the brain. We increase and fortify the capacity for attention and conscious perception. We fortify the network of neurons spread throughout the brainstem for reticular formation. We strengthen structures, subnuclei, and each neuron to transmit signals throughout the brain. Strengthen to keep you active and alert 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We fortify the intralaminar nucleus of the thalamus and each of the connections with the cerebral cortex in all its possible combinations. Strengthen to increase attention span and states of mindfulness. We strengthen the interaction between these structures. We enhance their communication with other parts of the brain, strengthening this network to have a significant impact on alertness and consciousness to prevent, regenerate, and reverse neurological disorders and sleep issues. We bolster the ascending reticular activating system to filter what it receives from perceptual reality, empowered to capture only that which is beneficial, convenient, and objectively contributes to our lives, strengthened to perform its function as the brain's tracker, enhanced to focus, retain, and program your attention towards all that favors your life, your goals, your objectives, strengthened to excite the brain, causing changes between neurons, bolstered to multiply neurogenesis, strengthened for efficient mental performance. We're going to activate the ascending activating reticular system so that good things may happen to us naturally, effortlessly, without fatigue. Become proficient at learning, internalizing, and applying everything you learn in order to enhance your ability to perceive, choose, and seize opportunities. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to wipe out the piled up effect of continuous dopamine hits caused by video games and social media, which provide immediate gratification but leave a massive existential void. We erase the accumulated effect of this profound emptiness that remains, the misunderstanding, confusion, and distortion they create in your perception. We erase all of this down to negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to bolster the prefrontal cortex to increase attention, concentration, problem solving, and impulse control. Strong for self-management, maturation, and the ability to heighten your quality of life. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We increase regeneration in the ascending reticular activating system and all its components. We decrease degeneration in this system. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We will make you strong and neutral, so it regenerates or doesn't regenerate, so you improve or don't improve, get worse or not get worse. Strong to be the same or not the same, different or not different, change or not change, perception or not perception. We will make you strong to unconditionally let go, erase, liberate, become independent, forgive, protect, and forget all the weaknesses we erase. All the bad habits that cause weakness in this system. We will strengthen your internal dynamics, your external dynamics, your internal limits, your outer limits, and your vertices. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We will erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks your ascending reticular activating system from improving, optimizing, and regenerating. We erase all weaknesses at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?